The recoil spring pulls the starter rope back into the starter when starting the engine. After years of use, the recoil spring will wear and eventually break. The spring will typically break at one of its ends, where it attaches to the pulley or the housing. This wear can be accelerated by using excessive force when pulling the starter rope, or if the starter rope is routinely pulled out to its full length. When the recoil spring breaks, it won't retract the rope back into the starter. Replacing the recoil spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the starter assembly from the engine. With the starter removed, now I can begin to disassemble it. First, I need to get the tension off of the spring. To do that, I'll remove the starter handle so I can release the rope. I'll untie the knot. Remove the handle, and then allow the rope to recoil back into the starter. That removes the tension from the spring. Now I'll remove the screw in the center of the starter that holds it all together. In this case, the screw is a reverse thread. Now I can remove the retainer, the spring, the pawl, and the pulley. The spring is on the back side of the pulley. Now I'll carefully remove the spring from the pulley. The spring is still under tension inside the housing. I'll use a small screwdriver to begin to pull the spring away from the pulley. Then I'll grab it with a pair of pliers and remove it from the pulley. Now I'll carefully dispose of the spring, as it will expand when I let go of it. Now I can install the spring. When you receive the spring, it's already been tensioned, and there's a wire retainer that holds it together. I'll align the hook on the spring with the opening on the side of the pulley. Now I'll hold the spring down and carefully remove the retainer, allowing the spring to expand into the pulley. Now I need to remove the rope from the pulley for reinstallation. Now install the pulley back into the housing. As I do this, I need to make sure that I hook the spring onto the post inside the housing. Now I can reinstall the pawl. I'll reinstall the spring and then reinstall the retainer. You'll notice there's two notches on either side of the pawl. The legs on the retainer fit into those notches. Then I'll secure everything with the screw, and remember it is a reverse thread. Next, I'll tension the spring and reinstall the rope. I rotate the pulley counterclockwise to put tension onto the spring. Probably about 6 or 7 turns. Then I'll align the hole for the rope in the pulley with the hole in the side of the housing. I'll insert the rope through the opening in the pulley and feed it out through the side of the housing. Next, I'll tie a knot in the center of the rope so it doesn't recoil back into the starter housing. Then I can reinstall the handle. With the handle reinstalled, I'll untie the knot and allow the rope to recoil all the way into the housing. And I'll finish by reinstalling the starter. And that's how you can replace the recoil spring in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.